Alright, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this beautiful piece of equipment right over here, which is a tractor trailer. So I just got back from a Florida truck show, and I had the pleasure of being there with my grandparents and my parents, which is a super cool experience to have. And I was able to kind of have this experience with them and review all of these trucks, talk to a bunch of different people about it, and see exactly what are the pros, what are the cons. Now in this video that we're going to show you next, this is actually where my father and I are going through this beautiful green truck. Like, this truck was gorgeous, very like a piece of art, really. And my dad would go through the truck and say, hey, this is what's non-practical about it. And I would go to the truck and I would say, hey, but these are all the cool things about it, right? My dad kind of puts me to shame when it comes to his knowledge about trucks itself. He's been doing it since before I was born. That's kind of where I learned a lot of my stuff from, so much respect to him. But this was a cool way to kind of share this moment, and I think this is his actual debut on our channel here. So if you want to learn more about me, about my family, this video is definitely going to be able to help you out and see where I came from. And at the end, he does something super surprising that I was not expecting, so make sure you watch all the way to the end to see exactly what my father does. But we're going to be reviewing this truck right over here. I talk about all the good, he talks about all the potentially not good, and you guys get to decide. Put in the comments below on who you think actually won this debate. Let's see this video, and I'll come back at the end.
Hello everyone, here in this video we're coming to you live from the Florida Truck Conference, the Florida Truck Show. And I'm here with the trucking expert of the world, my father, the guy who brought me into this world, John Marks, and we're going to be explaining this truck that we see behind us. It looks so good. We're going to see exactly what are the pros and cons of owning a truck like this. I'm going to talk about all the pros, and the expert is going to talk about the cons. So, one of the pros about this truck, if you follow me, is going to be, just look at it. I mean, if you want to get attention in a truck like this is actually the truck that you're going to have to worry about. What's one con that you see right off the bat?
It's so hard to make your right turns and left turns.
Let's see exactly how long this thing actually is. I mean, it's just so pretty, it's so green. But I guess one of the cons would be when you're on these bumpy roads and gravel, you're going to scratch all this stuff, and all this paint is going to go to the car.
You can open the door.
And every time you come out of the vehicle,
It's locked.
constantly hitting your hand. Every constantly burning your hand out. So why would you burn your hand here? It's exhaust. So this gets super hot, and there's no grill here. So that means you'll actually burn your hand like crazy. If you continue to go through here, this looks pretty cool. I mean, it looks, everything's hidden, so it's kind of cool to show this, right? What's some of the cons for this?
What do you say? A rock going under it and the puncture the fuel tank.
And where do you actually fill up the fuel?
Back.
We come out to the back over here, and this is where we're actually going to fill out the fuel right over here. So that looks really cool. So now look at this. Now there's no, you don't have to fall through any holes, so that's got to be a pro, right?
That's a pro, and the con is you can't really see the God hands hooking up with God hands. Extra wires coming out.
Would this get slippery in the wet too?
You stop in Jersey, you slide through.
You're going to slide right through.
No steps going in.
That's true. You got to like, no fat boy got it. Okay, cool. So now over here, we have these fenders. Now these things got to be a pro, right? It's like aerodynamic.
Until a tire blows up and boom, it goes 3,000 miles.
Wow. So that's going to be a con there. So now we have this black fifth wheel. This looks pretty cool. What's the con about this?
Fontaine fifth wheel. She looks pretty once there's no grease. Otherwise, it'll be grease all over the place.
That's true. All this nice, pretty stuff is going to get all messy with no grease at all. And then when it comes to the back of it, I mean, what's so wrong about this?
There's no mud flaps, so it's illegal that you must have at least mud flaps in California 3 inches off the ground. And just rocks hitting it over the curve. It goes the whole entire thing.
One little mistake here can cost a lot of money. So you can either look good or you can make a lot of money. You can't do both at the same time, right?
It's very hard, or you really know well. Correct, that's correct.
These trucks are built just for shows pretty much, and all they really need to do is sit here. Because if you're backing up a trailer to here, you're really going to have to extend like this out and have to make sure you have a nice modified trailer, or you're going to bang out the landing gear right off here, right?
Well,
that is the pros and cons of this pretty green truck. This is one of my coolest colors around this whole truck show here. And I'll see you on the next video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Alright, so that was a pretty cool video, right? So the surprise was he just gave me a big smooch at the end. I was not expecting it, but that is how much we love each other. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something from it, right? So the main thing is you can either spend a lot of money on your truck and make it look good, or you can make a lot of money with your truck and just make it look practical, depending on which way you want to go. A lot of those trucks in the showroom are exactly that. They're pieces of art. They're not really used for day-to-day work on them. They're usually retired trucks and somebody just wants to kind of do a work of art. There are some times where truck drivers actually go that crazy. They just have a lot more maintenance and a lot more things to kind of watch out for. So I hope that video helped you out in understanding those cool trucks are probably not always the most practical out there if you're looking to make the most amount of money. But if all your goal is to make yourself look cool, maybe you should get one of those things and customize it yourself. So I'll see you on the next video. Our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom. And in a truck like that, if you can afford one, that means you're pretty close to getting free. So let's get you there too. Thanks.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.